Challenge: recreate the smallest crispy fried chicken drumstick on the internet. Xiao Xiao Wan. Today the customer wants Uncle Xia's signature fried chicken drumstick. If you can make it in 3 minutes, your bonus will double. Wow, I've got this covered, second brother.
First, prepare a fresh chicken drumstick. Use a large knife to cut it, but don't cut all the way through. This keeps its shape and lets flavors soak in.
First, prepare a fresh, large chicken drumstick. Use a large knife to cut open the drumstick, but don't cut all the way through. This keeps it whole and lets flavors in.
Take these spices and rub them with salt in advance, then massage them together with the chicken drumstick.
Prepare onion, garlic, ginger slices, scallions, carrot, and celery in advance. Sprinkle with a generous amount of salt to season them, then mix thoroughly with the chicken drumstick.
Add an appropriate amount of water for marinating, then sprinkle in black pepper, white pepper, and red pepper to marinate the chicken.
Add an appropriate amount of water, black pepper, and white pepper. If you don't have red pepper, just leave it out. Mix well and set aside to marinate.
Use 3 pots all-purpose flour, 1 pot cornstarch, turmeric powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Just mix everything together evenly.
3 pots all-purpose flour, 1 pot cornstarch, turmeric powder, garlic, onion, paprika, and chopped parsley. Just mix everything together evenly.
1 part crispy frying powder and some baking powder.
1 part crispy frying powder and some baking powder.
Add chilled soda water, stir it in, then add an egg yolk and mix until it forms a batter.
Add chilled soda water, then add an egg yolk and mix until it becomes a batter.
Coat the chicken drumsticks in dry flour. Ensure full coverage. Dip in batter, then coat with dry flour again for perfect crispy flakes.
First, coat the drumsticks thoroughly with dry flour. Second, dip them in the batter. Third, coat them with dry flour again. The crispy flakes come out perfectly. Today, let's help our guests achieve fried chicken drumstick freedom.
When oil is heated to 60%, add chicken drumsticks without moving them. Fry on high heat for 5.5 minutes.
When the oil is at 60% heat, put the drumsticks in and don't touch them. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Wow, now that's something.
And just like that, these fragrant and beautiful crispy golden chicken drumsticks are done.
Tisk tisk tisk, I've successfully recreated Uncle Xia's signature crispy golden chicken drumsticks.